going to take hours for them to clear off. There's just more and more come. Oh, there's a baby one.
Where?
Actually, that's a duck.
It's a duck. The duck thinks it's a goose.
What?
I think that duck must think it's a goose.
It just like, okay, I'll follow. See, the ducks are just like following along.
Holy smoke, how many more are coming?
Oh my god!
Oh, here come more down out of the sky.
Why can't they just fly over? It's so not. Oh, now they're flying over. What is? Oh my gosh. I just saw some feathers. It's fluffing its feathers off. Oh my gosh. There's thousands of them.
I know.
Why don't they just... Why can't they just fly over? Thank you. Oh, now it's all in a line.
Mm-hmm. There's an expression, get your ducks in a row. It's more like get your geese in a row, right?
Yeah. Oh no!
They're all sitting down. Oh, they're all sitting down.
They're laying down in the road. We'll never be able to get out past this. Okay, now okay. Why did they come over here?
I guess they must like the lake.
Oh. Oh no! There's even more coming.
Where?
Look!
Out of the sky, yeah, there is.
They were coming from that direction.